Welcome back to day 4 of our 30-day summer English challenge. Today we are moving beyond basics greetings to something very practical. Managing schedules. Whether you are talking to a colleague, a friend or a teacher, knowing how to handle numbers, time and dates is essential. Key vocabulary and phrases. Before we jump into the script, let's look at the building blocks for scheduling. Days and dates. Use on for specific days. Example, on Monday, on May 5th. Time. Use at for specific times. Example, at 10:30 a.m. etc. Duration. Use for to say how long. Example, for 1 hour, for 3 hours, etc. Checking availability. Are you free on? Does time or day work for you? What time suits you best? Numbers, time and dates and how to schedule a meeting in English. Real life situation. Imagine this. You want to talk to your teacher, friend or boss, but how do you fix a time? Schedule a meeting. Key sentences. Now the most important part. How to fix a meeting. Basic sentences. Can we meet tomorrow? Are you free at 5 p.m.? Let's meet on Monday. Polite and professional sentences. Can we schedule a meeting? What time works for you? Is 4 p.m. convenient for you? Let's meet on 10th June at 3 p.m. Small conversation. Person A. Hi. Are you free tomorrow? Person B. Yes. What time? Person A. Let's meet at 5 p.m. Person B. Perfect. See you then. Now it's your turn. Say this in English. Fix a meeting with your friend. Choose a time. Choose a date. Comment below your sentence. Always be clear with time, date, place. This makes your English sound confident and professional. Great job. Today you learned how to use numbers, time and dates in real life. Tomorrow is day 5. Don't miss it. Like, share and subscribe to keep learning English in a fun way this summer. See you tomorrow. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.